Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Chase Bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use funds from your Chase Bank to fund Splitwise. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise. Then on the bottom right hand corner, click on Account. Now, underneath Preferences, next, go ahead and click on Connected Accounts. Now, once you've done so, click on Add a Funding Source, then click on Bank Account. Next, it's going to redirect you to the software called Plaid. Plaid is what Splitwise uses in order to connect your accounts. Click on Continue, then go ahead and click on Continue again, then click on Chase Bank. Now, it's going to prompt you to log into Chase so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to Splitwise. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Chase Bank to Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.